Welcome to Billionaire Men's Club, where wealth, success, and financial freedom are the ultimate goals. We bring you powerful insights on investing, money-making strategies, entrepreneurship, and the mindset needed to build generational wealth. Whether you're looking to grow your income, master forex trading, or explore high-value investment opportunities, this is the place for you. Join the movement and take control of your financial future. Subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth-building tip. Welcome to Investing 101, your guide to financial freedom. Let's embark on this journey together. We bring you powerful insights on investing, money-making strategies, entrepreneurship, and the mindset needed to build generational wealth. Whether you're looking to grow your income, master forex trading, or explore high-value investment opportunities, this is the place for you. Join the movement and take control of your financial future. Subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth-building tip. I'm sure you've heard the news. Investing. It's a word that can spark excitement and fear, the thrill of potential gains and the anxiety of possible losses. It's about taking control of your finances, making informed decisions, and planning ahead. You are planning for your future, ensuring that you and your loved ones are secure. Imagine retiring comfortably or achieving your dreams, like traveling the world or starting a new venture. Investing can make those dreams a reality, turning aspirations into achievable goals. Putting your money in a savings account is a good start, but it's just the beginning. But inflation can erode its value over time, diminishing your purchasing power. Investing helps you stay ahead of inflation, ensuring your money grows. You can grow your wealth and build a solid financial foundation. Investing is the key to financial security, providing peace of mind. It's the bridge between your current situation and your desired future, a strategic move towards success. This isn't just about becoming rich. It's about having choices and the freedom to make them. It's about not worrying about money constantly and enjoying life's moments. Investing empowers you to live life on your terms, achieving personal milestones. So let's embark on this journey together, step by step. Let's explore the world of investing and pave your path to financial freedom, unlocking endless possibilities. Everybody is looking for ways to make their money work for them. Investing might seem complicated, but it's simpler than you think. In essence, investing is about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you're putting it into assets you believe will increase in value over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it, nurture it, and over time, it grows into a tree that bears fruit. Investing is similar. You choose your seeds, investments, and with time and patience, they can generate returns. These returns can come in different forms. You might earn dividends from stocks. You could earn interest from bonds, or your real estate investment might appreciate in value. The key takeaway is this: investing allows your money to grow passively, working for you even while you sleep. I don't think people understand the variety of investment avenues available to them. Get ready to explore various investment avenues and find out which ones suit you best. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company, also known as equity. If the company performs well, its stock price generally goes up and your investment grows. However, if the company performs poorly, the stock price can fall. Bonds. Bonds are like loans you give to governments or corporations which they use to fund various projects. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest over a specified period. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, but they also offer lower potential returns. Real estate investing in real estate involves buying, managing, and selling properties for profit, which can be a stable source of income. It could be residential or commercial properties, each with its own set of opportunities and challenges. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are baskets of stocks, bonds, or other assets, allowing you to diversify your investments easily and reduce risk. Remember, each investment has its own risk and potential return, and it's important to understand these before investing. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes is crucial for managing risk effectively and achieving a balanced portfolio. Are you worried about making the right investment choices? Understanding risk and return is crucial. Let's break it down in this chapter. The relationship between risk and return is fundamental to investing. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk involved, and vice versa. Think of it like a seesaw. One side goes up, the other goes down. Low-risk investments, like bonds, offer stability but might not yield high returns. High-risk investments, like stocks, have the potential for significant growth but also come with the possibility of losses. Your risk tolerance depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and investment timeline. If you're young and investing for the long term, you can afford to take on more risk. If you're nearing retirement, you might prefer more conservative investments. Taking your first steps in investing can be daunting. Let's make it easier for you. Now that you understand the basics, you're ready to embark on your investment journey. Here's how to get started. First, define your goals. What are you saving for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Knowing your goals will help you determine your investment strategy. Second, start small. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Begin with a small amount that you're comfortable with and gradually increase your contributions over time. Third, do your research. Before investing in any stock, bond, or other assets, thoroughly research and understand the associated risks and potential returns. And finally, consider a financial advisor. If you're unsure where to begin, seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor can provide valuable guidance tailored to your specific needs. Why are there not more people talking about realizing financial freedom and achieving your dreams? One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compounding. It is a fundamental principle that can significantly impact your financial future. Albert Einstein famously called it the eighth wonder of the world. He understood its potential to transform small investments into substantial wealth over time. Compounding is the snowball effect of earning returns on your initial investment plus all the accumulated earnings. This means your money starts to grow at an accelerating rate. Imagine investing $100 today, and it earns you a 10% return in the first year. This simple example illustrates the power of compounding. You now have $110. This additional $10 is the result of your investment growing. The next year, you earn a 10% return on $110, giving you $121. Your returns are now building on themselves. The magic of compounding is that your money grows exponentially over time. This exponential growth can lead to significant wealth accumulation. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, and the more significant your returns can be. Time is a crucial factor in maximizing the benefits of compounding. Investing is not just about making money, it's about creating a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about financial freedom and peace of mind. Start today, stay invested, and let the power of compounding work its magic on your journey to financial freedom. The sooner you begin, the greater the potential for your investments to grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on financial freedom.